Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray as always that you're all feeling great, super amazing, enjoying your day, beautiful day ahead, and enjoying the lectures as well. So, I hope that you're not forgetting to subscribe our channel. Yeah, remember like remind you most of the time just to subscribe the channel. We are making a lot of effort to make all these videos colorful, interactive, and fun for you, so you can enjoy your learning, enjoy your time with us. So we're just going to ask you a small favor that you're going to subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. And we know that you're all, you really care for your friends. So you are going to share that with your friends as well. And I hope you're doing it. So that's super amazing. So again, we are going to do the alphabet. Remember, yes, we did T yesterday. Remember? Yeah. So we are going to, as I told you, that we are going to do the capital T tomorrow. So we are going to do the T today. T, yes, not that T, the letter T, the alphabet T. So this is also 1 and 2 strokes, easy. A vertical line and a horizontal line, vertical line and a horizontal line, very easy for you to trace. All right, so there are 2 strokes, a vertical and a horizontal line. Okay, and for that you are going to take out your book Alphabet Fun and to Z, right? Yes, you're going to do, you're going to take that out, and we will be doing page number 20 over here. Yes. Yes, take out page number 20. There is something that starts with T, which you don't use it. When we were a child, in our childhood, we have used this very much. So this is a telephone. Yay, see, this is a telephone. And this is the telephone rings loudly. So this is the telephone. Now, these days we have like cell phones, cellular phones. They are wireless and we can take them anywhere. But when we were child, we used to make a call from this telephone. This has got wire. See, this has got the wire. This is attached. Both the things, the receiver and the this set is attached. And then this is the whole thing is the phone is attached to a wire. So you cannot take it along. If you're going outside, you cannot take that. So this is the telephone, right? This is called the telephone. And these days, which we are using are the cell phones, the cellular phones, right? So we are going to trace T today. Now this is the bigger picture of T. And then we've got the smaller picture of T. They are starting from here. The first stroke is this, and the second stroke is this, right? So we're going to do 2 strokes. 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Yeah. We're going to do 2 strokes. That is 1 and 2. So very easy. The small T has also 2 strokes. So this is even easy. There's no curve, nothing. There is one horizontal, vertical line and the other horizontal line. A vertical line and horizontal line. But we're going to start from the horizontal line first, and then you're going to make the vertical line from the middle of that horizontal line. Okay. And as you know that we did all this before, the vocabulary, so we're just going to revise that a little. Once again, T is for table. We did table, right? We did toucan, we did tiger, we did tomatoes, we did turtle, we did tulips, then tree, teacup, tie, and there was something behind me. Yeah, tent. Right? We did all of these. That is the T vocabulary. We did that yesterday. So I just wanted to show you that once again. And tie, yes. tie as well. So these are all things which start with the letter T. And there's another thing which starts with the letter T, that is the telephone. Even the toothbrush and the toothpaste, that even starts with the T sound. T, T, T. And like, is there anybody whose name starts with T? Okay, Tamur. Yes, Tamur starts with T. That is great. Okay, Tina, yeah. Tina starts with T. Tamina starts with T. That's great. So there are a couple of names that starts with T. So first of all, we are going to just trace it with the finger. Horizontal, vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Okay. So you did it. Now you're going to do the tracing with the pencil. Yes, do it with the pencil. Horizontal, vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Yes, that's great. See, you can do that. Horizontal and vertical. So now put the book flat on the table, hold the pencil in your hand and start tracing capital T. Yes, start tracing capital T. Good, good, good. Yes. Did it? Yeah, that is even easy for you. Not difficult. Okay, now you flip the page and come up on page number 21. Flip the page and come up on page number 21. Yeah, now here you can see all the T's written over here and there's no space. So you're going to make the horizontal line and then the vertical line. Horizontal line, then the vertical line. Horizontal line and then the vertical line. Okay, now come on, do that as well. That's good. Yes, trace it slowly, be on the line, don't go off the line. Stay on the line. Yes, that's great. Yes, okay, now show me. Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. That's great, great, great. Okay, so you're going to do the first line here. The second you're going to do for the homework, right? Okay, now easy for you. You can do that. Okay, lovely. Lovely, that's great. Okay. Now we are going to do this exercise below. This says that there's a man and he has to make a phone call. So you have to go to the telephone to make the phone call. Okay, but we are only going to follow the capital T, right? You're only going to follow the capital T to help the man reach to the telephone. Got it? Okay, that's great. So we're going to start from the man. Okay, over here, we're going to start here from the capital T. We are only touching the capital T's. No other alphabet we are going to touch, even not the smaller T, right? We're not going to touch the smaller T. We're only going to touch the capital T's. So we're going to start from here. T. Okay. T. T. This is the smaller one. We're not going to go there. Okay. T. This is also the smaller one. T. Oh, wow. We just got that. Wow, very easy. That is very, very easy. Now, like, just do it once again. We're going to start from here. The man, okay. Take him from T, then another T, another T, big capital T, another capital T, another capital T, and the telephone. The man has reached the telephone. He has to make a call, very important call. So we have to help him to reach the telephone so he can make the call. Okay. So we have traced the capital T today, and you have revised all the pictures as well. You have seen the tent. T is for tent. T is for table. Then T is for tycoon, T is for tiger, tomato, turtle. Oops, sorry. I am sorry. Sorry, Mr. Turtle. So T is for turtle, T tulips, T teacup, T tree, T tie, and T toucan. Yay, that is great. So we have done the T vocabulary as well, and we have done the capital T tracing as well, right? So we've done that. So this was our literacy class today, and we have done tracing of the capital T, and I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. So I'm going to say goodbye. We will see you soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.